What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add page numbers or slide numbers on Google Slides. So this is very easy to do, guys. All you have to do once you're inside your presentation, you can go on any page you wish and just basically go to insert at the top here from the menu options, and you want to look towards the bottom and you will find the slide numbers. Now once you click on that, you have a little pop-up box here where it's going to basically by default show that it's on, but you need to apply it so that it starts to show up on the page. One cool thing is that you can choose if you want to include the page numbers for the title slides, or you can skip those out. So it's really up to you if you want to do that. So if you want to add it, you can add it in, or if you want to just have every single page numbered, you can just go ahead and just simply click and apply, right? If you want to apply to selected slides, you can just go ahead and click on that, and you can just have it on that specific slide that you want. So as you can see here, I have the page number here for number 1, but if I scroll down to another page, it is not there. So I can choose these options as well. So this is how you do it, guys. You can choose to apply in all slides, or you can apply to single slides. Now if I click and apply there and not to the selected slides, you will see now if I scroll down that each page is now numbered, as you can see there. Now, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.